Hey, what's up everybody? Jesse here with Southern Reels Fishing, and it's wintertime and we got snow here in Northeast North Carolina, which doesn't happen very often along the coast here, but that's cool. I got thinking about my crab habitat that I keep. You know, I catch and keep crabs for bait for people who don't follow my channel. I was like, man, I wonder how they're doing. So I want to show you what we got going on in here. All right, I probably have about 40 or 50 in here still. Most of them are hidden up in the sandy beach area up there. They dig these little tunnels and they go down in there, and that's where they sleep and stay. But there's a select few of them, I don't know if you can see them down in there, that for some reason settled down in the ice. Now this right now is a solid frozen chunk of ice. And you're like, man, poor guys. I'm gonna cut one out with my little tool that I got here. Basically nice and careful, and try to cut around them and take them inside and let it warm up and see if these crabs are still alive or not. I'm gonna go ahead and do that real quick. Okay, as you can see, I managed to get one out of the ice, and I went ahead and ran some water over it to kind of smooth it off so you could see him a little better. But he's definitely frozen solid in there. It's crazy. So I'm gonna go set it up here in the house by the wood heater and do a time lapse and see what happens. All right, as you see, I got it set up over here with a little lamp because it's probably going to get dark before this finishes. And I got my DJI Pocket 2 doing a time lapse on him. He's already started melting quite a bit actually, so it's going pretty fast. That's wild. Some frozen solid like that.
Oh, he's up.
Not moving very fast though.
Yeah.
All right, y'all, I think I've given him as long as he needs. I've been watching him from across the room as I work on some projects here, and I can see him moving around quite a bit. Actually, when I stood up, he kind of moved some, so we're going to walk up to him and see how lively he is. I mean, he's alive, obviously, which is just amazing, so let's go check him out. Approach him slowly here. So, dude, how you feeling? A little cold last night, wasn't it? Oh, yeah, he's definitely alive. He's like, I'll bite you. That's funny. Probably hungry, ain't you? Go get you some food. He's sitting here worshiping the light up here. They like the light because they think it's the sun. He's just sitting there staring at it. It's crazy. It's hard to believe this dude was frozen in a block of ice. He's fine, I swear, it's amazing. All right, so I got him a new container here with taller sides on it so he can't escape. I also got some cornmeal and some breadcrumbs in there. That way he has something to eat tonight. I'll let him stay in here tonight and enjoy it because it's still cold outside, and tomorrow I'll put him back out in his little habitat. All right, buddy, I got some food for you. I'll grab you. You good. Ain't gonna hurt you. Went from being frozen in a solid block of ice a couple hours ago to chilling. It's amazing. Well, there you go, y'all. That's just simply amazing to me. I mean, nature is just amazing. That crab could be frozen solid like he was and thaw out and just keep right on living. I mean, we can never do that, obviously. Now, I don't know how long it would last like that. It was just overnight. So I imagine if he was frozen longer, it would eventually kill him. It would have to. Anyway, that was a fun little experiment. Let me know what you think in the comments. I'm gonna do some more crazy stuff like this. Anyway, peace out. See you in the next video.